This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make rolls with instant yeast. First, combine 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant yeast with 1 cup of warm milk, about 110 degrees Fahrenheit, and 2 tablespoons of sugar in a large bowl. Let this mixture sit for 5 minutes until it becomes foamy. This step ensures your yeast is active and ready to work its magic, giving you light and fluffy rolls every time. Now, gradually add 3 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt to your yeast mixture. Stir until a shaggy dough forms, then incorporate 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and elastic, bouncing back slightly when poked. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly greased bowl, turning it once to coat. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Divide it into 12 equal pieces, shaping each into a smooth, round roll, and arrange them in a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Finally, cover your shaped rolls and let them rise for a second time for about 30 minutes or until they look puffy. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are beautifully golden brown on top. Brush with melted butter immediately after baking for extra flavor and shine. These warm, fluffy rolls are perfect for any meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.